This is how the drain for the Shop Tough Vibratory Tumbler comes. So it comes with a drain valve connected to a hose, and we've used it like this for a long time. The problem is that when it's running, that hose shakes violently too, and the hose is vibrating, and so it's vibrating the whatever the bucket or whatever, if there's water in there. So I wanted to decouple that to find an easy method to disconnect and connect that hose so that we only need to connect it when we need to use it to drain. The best method I could find are these cam lever couplings. They're plastic and not too expensive, and they'll screw right into the threads that are already on there, that are on the valve, and the thread of the barb fitting that goes into the hose. So it should be an easy fit, and it'll be easy to remove. With the female coupler installed on the tumbler tub and the male coupler on the pipe, you can easily put this on here. It's easier with two hands, but operating the camera with one. There we go. So now we have a solid coupling to drain the tumbler when we need to.